Jada, you okay? She's so scared right now because of the thunder and the non-stop rain for the last couple days here in South Florida. Really crazy. Jada, you good? Jada. The boy over here. Kratos. Kratos, come on. Come on. Kratos. Go. Jada, how come you're not in your room? How come you're not in the living room? Why did you follow me over here? Are you scared, Mama? You know it's not raining, right? Or it's not really raining that hard anymore. Why are you looking around? Jada. 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 What's wrong, Jada? You okay, Mama? Why you guys can't be like Kratos? It's raining hard out there. Nothing but hard ass rain and lightning and thunder. And it just makes these two get all fearless and shaking and freaking out. This one climbed on top of me, as well as this one. While Kratos is just there relaxing, chilling, unfazed by everything, like he usually is. No personal space whatsoever. Especially with Jada. Ever. She's just very nervous, very scared about everything. What can you do? Chipi. This one likes to hide in tight corners right here. Oh, there goes more shaking. It's like having a massager on top of you, pretty much. Sometimes I give them like a little anxiety pill if I can to calm them down. Usually, or like a pain pill. But it's just they have to get used to some of this stuff.